Ever wondered if the world you perceive is the real one or just a simulated reality? Picture this. You're in a dream. Everything feels real, the people, the places, the experiences. But then you wake up and realize it was all just a fabrication of your mind. Now imagine that's your life, every day, every moment. Welcome to the concept of the Matrix. The Matrix, as it's proposed, is not so different from your dreams. It's a simulated reality, woven together by complex algorithms and codes, masterminded to keep us under control and distract us from the underlying truth. It's a veil, a curtain that shrouds the reality, presenting us with a world that we believe to be real. But in essence, it's all just an elaborate illusion. We're caught in a web of controlled perceptions, living our lives in a world that may not even be real. So, if we're living in a matrix, how do we escape it? The first step to escape is to recognize that you're in the matrix. Imagine you're playing a video game and you start noticing glitches, things that don't seem quite right, like a tree floating in midair or a character walking through walls. These are signs that you're in a fabricated reality. Similarly, in our world, there could be anomalies that suggest we're living in a matrix. It could be a sense of déjà vu or a feeling that something just doesn't add up. The key is to stay alert and question what's around you. Don't just accept things at face value. Ask yourself, why is it like this? Could there be more than what meets the eye? Remember, questioning is the beginning of awakening. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion to reveal what's hidden underneath. Once you recognize the matrix, the next step is to reject it. To escape the matrix, one must reject it, but how? Imagine you're sitting at a poker table, cards in hand. You've got a good feeling about this round, but there's a catch. The game is rigged. You're playing with a stacked deck. This is what the matrix is like. It's a game where the rules are skewed, the outcomes predetermined. Rejecting the matrix is like pushing back from that poker table, refusing to play the game. It's about rejecting the illusion of reality it presents and daring to question the status quo. It requires independent thinking, a willingness to look behind the curtain, to challenge the norms. It's about having the courage to question everything, to not just accept the world as it is presented to you. It's a tough road, no doubt. But remember, the first step to change is awareness, and the second is rejection. After rejection comes the final step, the actual escape from the matrix. Escaping the matrix isn't easy, but it's not impossible either. Just like finding your way out of a labyrinth or piecing together a jigsaw puzzle, it's a process that requires perseverance, a keen sense of self-awareness, and an unyielding pursuit of truth. Imagine the matrix as a vast and intricate maze with walls of deception and illusion. The first step to escape is to recognize that you're in this maze. To do so, you must challenge everything you've been taught and question all that you've perceived as reality. However, simply recognizing the matrix isn't enough. You have to reject it, to refuse the comfort of the familiar and the convenience of the status quo. This might seem daunting, a little bit like standing at the entrance of a labyrinth, uncertain and hesitant. But remember, every journey starts with that first nerve-wracking step. As you navigate this maze, you'll encounter numerous dead ends and false exits, deceptive paths designed to lure you back into the matrix. These are the moments where self-awareness becomes crucial. You must be able to distinguish between what's real and what's an illusion, between the truth and the lies. Perseverance is key in this journey. The road to freedom isn't easy or straightforward. It's filled with challenges and obstacles, doubts and fears. But remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every stumble is a chance to rise stronger. So keep going, keep pushing, keep questioning. The pursuit of truth is what will ultimately guide you out of the matrix. It's like the North Star in an endless night sky, a beacon of light in a sea of darkness. It's what will lead you to the exit of the maze, to the freedom that lies beyond the matrix. In this journey, you're not just escaping a fabricated reality, you're also discovering your true self, your potential, your power. You're breaking free from the chains of conformity and the shackles of societal expectations. In the end, escaping the Matrix is about freeing your mind and reclaiming control over your reality. It's about choosing to live a life of authenticity and truth, a life that is truly your own.